Hey gang, Mr. Fominia here today, and today we're going to talk about the four humors. No, not that type of ha-ha humor. Today we are going to be talking about humorism, which is an ancient Greek and Roman philosophy on medicine. This belief said that humans are affected by their environment. Well, duh! I mean, come on. Dinosaurs, hello? The humorists believed that the body was made up of four fluids, also known as the four humors. Now, brace yourself because this is going to get a little gross. Fluid 1 was known as blood. If you prick us, do we not bleed? Yes! What sort of question is that? Early cultures knew that the body was full of blood. I mean, imagine the first caveman roller skating accident. Oh, the humanity! The second fluid was known as phlegm. Anyone with an older uncle knows all about phlegm. Phlegm was what the lungs produced when somebody was sick. The third fluid was known as yellow bile. Ever thrown up so much that there was absolutely nothing left in your stomach and all that came up was the disgusting, yellow, horrible tasting stuff? Yep, you guessed it, yellow bile. And last but certainly not least, the fourth fluid was black bile. This was not seen a lot and was only usually seen when someone died. The humanist philosophers believed that these four fluids were always in balance in a healthy person, but if one of these was off, then the person got sick or acted really weird. Now, let's imagine why they would choose four fluids when we all know that we have way more fluids than four in our bodies. So let's think about the other things that we have in nature that are in fours. Let's think about this. Time to think. Got it? Not yet? Okay. Got it. How about the elements? I mean, we have earth, wind, water, and heart. Nah, just kidding. I'm talking about fire. Also, the other fours on this earth. The seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And Leonardo, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Donatello. Just kidding. Back to the four humors. The humorists believe that if you had an excess or a lot of one of the fluids, you acted in weird ways. If you had a lot of blood in your body, then you acted slow and sluggish. Slow and sluggish. If you had a lot of phlegm in your body, then you acted uncaring or emotionless. I don't care. If you had way too much yellow bile, you'd act very aggressive and angry. Finally, if you were very sad and unhappy, it meant that you had a lot of black bile. So, by joining the way people acted to the inner workings of the body, these humorists began diagnosing their patients that came to see them. They became the first doctors, and the science of medicine and finding out what was wrong with people began.